Are you thinking of upgrading to a new Samsung phone this June? Whether you're chasing bleeding-edge innovation, flagship performance, or reliable value on a budget, Samsung has something for everyone. In today's video, we're breaking down the best Samsung phones you can buy in June 2025. From foldables to flagships and budget-friendly options, we've got all categories covered. Stick around until the end, and we'll help you find the perfect Samsung phone for your needs. Let's kick things off with the showstopper, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you want the ultimate Samsung experience, this is it. The Fold 6 takes everything we loved about the Fold 5 and cranks it up a notch. Literally. The hinge is now more compact and durable, making the Fold feel smoother and more satisfying than ever. When closed, it looks like a regular phone with a beautiful 6.3-inch AMOLED cover display. But open it up and boom, a stunning 7.6-inch main display that's like carrying a tablet in your pocket. It's perfect for multitasking, gaming, or binge-watching Netflix on the go. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, delivering ultra-smooth performance for demanding tasks. You get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Yes, 1 terabyte, ensuring plenty of space for everything. Battery life is solid too, with a 4,400 mAh battery that supports 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. Samsung also improved the crease. It's barely noticeable now. And the camera system is top tier. A triple lens setup featuring a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP telephoto. It captures stunning photos and supports 8K video recording for professional-level videography. Is it expensive? Absolutely. The base model starts at $1,049.99. But if you want the future of smartphones right now, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is as premium and as exciting as it gets. Next up, let's talk about one of the best mid-range options this year, the Samsung Galaxy A56. Now this phone proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a great smartphone experience. The A56 rocks a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, making scrolling fast, videos crisp, and gaming immersive. Samsung's nailed the display game again, even on their budget-friendly models. Inside, it's powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, offering solid performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming. Whether you're hopping between apps or editing photos for Instagram, the A56 holds its own with 6 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, or 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes of storage. Battery life? Fantastic. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, you're easily getting a full day of use, maybe even 2. And the camera setup is surprisingly good too. A 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro lens, delivering sharp and vibrant shots. It even has IP67 water resistance, stereo speakers, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. For a mid-range phone, it feels premium, with a sleek design that doesn't scream budget. At $354.99, the Galaxy A56 is a strong contender for those seeking flagship-like features without the hefty price tag. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is Samsung's flagship through and through, and honestly, it might just be the best Android phone of 2025 so far. The first thing you'll notice is the design. Sleek, elegant, and unmistakably premium. The S25 Ultra rocks a 6.9-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with a variable 1 to 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, making gaming and scrolling feel unbelievably fluid. Under the hood, you got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500 in some regions, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Needless to say, performance is off the charts, handling everything from demanding apps to high-end gaming effortlessly. But the real magic? The camera. Samsung upgraded the main sensor to a 200MP shooter, delivering stunning low-light photos. Crisp zoomed-in shots thanks to its dual periscope lenses and some of the best video capabilities on any phone right now, including 8K recording. It still includes the S Pen, making it perfect for note-taking, editing, and sketching. The S25 Ultra is expensive, starting at $1,049 on Amazon. But if you want the absolute best of Samsung with no compromises, this is your guy. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about the budget-friendly warrior, Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're shopping on a tight budget but still want the Samsung experience, this is your best bet in 2025. The A16 might not have the flashiest specs, but it nails the essentials. You get a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 800 nits peak brightness, making it bright and smooth for everyday use. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, paired with 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of RAM, and 128GB or 256GB of storage. It's not going to win speed tests, but for everyday tasks like texting, YouTube, TikTok, and light gaming, it gets the job done smoothly. What's surprising is the battery. It's a 5,000 mAh packed with excellent endurance and 25W wired charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The A16 also brings back the headphone jack, plus microSD card support for expandable storage, which is rare these days. On the camera front, it has a triple setup, a 50MP main sensor, 5MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro lens. No, it won't beat flagship models, but for casual snaps, it's solid. At around $150, the A16 proves you don't have to break the bank to get a reliable, well-rounded smartphone. And now, let's talk about a surprise comeback, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Yep, the Edge is back, and Samsung's bringing those iconic curved screens into 2025 with a modern twist. The S25 Edge sits right between the base S25 and the Ultra, striking that perfect balance of premium features without the Ultra's bulk. You get a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display with smooth curved edges, a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and a peak brightness of 1416 nits, making it immersive and stunning. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500 in some regions, paired with 12GB of RAM, and either 256GB or 512GB of storage. Multitasking, gaming, and video editing are effortless. The camera system is excellent. A dual setup featuring a 200MP main shooter and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. It supports 8K video recording and delivers sharp, vibrant images. What makes the Edge special is the feel. It's slim, light, and incredibly comfortable to hold, with a titanium frame and Gorilla Glass ceramic tube protection. It's got flagship DNA but is more manageable and slightly more affordable, starting at $1,099.99. The S25 Edge is a beautiful return, packing all the performance and camera goodness expected in 2025. And there you have it, the best Samsung phones to buy in June 2025. Whether you're looking for innovation with the Z Fold 6, unbeatable flagship power with the S25 Ultra, or solid value with the A56 and A16, Samsung has something for everyone this year. Personally, I think the S25 Edge might be the sleeper hit. It blends style, power, and price so well. But let us know in the comments, which Samsung phone would you go for? Are you Team Fold, Team Ultra, or Team Budget Beast? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.